I wanted to make a video today, and I feel that the video that needs to be made today is something that's been going on for a minute. And you may notice that the last couple of videos I did, there was no aerials, right? I just got the drone license. I got the drone and all that stuff. I got it to fly it and use it to, shoot video with, right? And the issue is it's saying that the gimbal is stuck. So I got some compressed air. I watched a couple of tutorials, and we're gonna see if we can't fix that issue today. So first off, I always leave the drone in this thing that it comes with the gimbal protector on and in the bag, right? Like it's very rare that it's out of that unless it's flying, right? Like that's really the only times I've had it out of there. So the video I saw was basically saying that like inside of here, I don't know if that's gonna show, but like, so inside of all of these little moving parts like dirt and sand and hair or whatever could get in there. So the idea is to blow all of that out. Got this at Walmart for, it was 14 bucks, but it was only 14 bucks because they only had 4 packs and I kind of need them anyway. So this apartment I have is pretty dark and dusty, so I need to do some cleaning anyway, but let's hope this works. It looks to me like it's moving around pretty freely in there. All right, so moment of truth, see if this works. I can't even see the screen with these glasses on, so. Still saying gimbal stuck, and it did it rotated when I turned it on. So I don't know what's going on. Try it again. All right, so it was kind of a multi-level problem. So there was some dirt or something in the gimbal, right? So that part of it worked. It became unstuck. I don't know what happened there. And then to get it to unlock here, you have to apply for an unlock code, right? Which the last time I did it, I just did it from the app. It unlocked fine. But I think what happened today was the aircraft firmware was updated to a newer version than the app firmware, or vice versa. And the profile that was loaded onto the app was not the profile I applied for the unlock code on. So you have to make sure all of that stuff is lined up right. And really it's for your own safety, because if it's different firmwares and different profiles, then it may cause that drone to do something crazy. So it all needs to be on sort of like the same frequency, right? Anyway, that's it. I'm glad it worked. Glad the gimbal worked. I wish it would have worked yesterday so I could have done some fireworks last night, but oh well, it is what it is. Maybe it'll be working come New Year's or something. All right, that's it for today. Thanks, guys. Peace.